In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple time zones in Outlook. If you plan across regions, seeing more than one clock right on your calendar can prevent scheduling mistakes and make it easier to pick meeting times that work for everyone. I'll walk you through the process in the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then in classic Outlook on Windows. First, in the new Outlook or the web version, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. At the bottom of the panel, open View All Outlook Settings, then choose Calendar, and select View. In the Time Zones area, find the section called Other Time Zones. Click Add Time Zone. Search for the city or region you want to follow, and give it a short, friendly label so you recognize it at a glance. Make sure the option to show in calendar is checked, so it actually appears next to your primary time zone. When you're happy with the selection, click Save to apply your changes. Your calendar will now display the extra time zone on the grid, especially noticeable in day and week views, which is helpful when you're proposing new meeting times. Now let's do the same in classic Outlook on Windows. Open Outlook, go to File, and choose Options. In the window that appears, select the Calendar tab. Scroll down to the Time Zones section. Here you can check the box for Show a second time zone, and, if you need it, a third. Add a clear label, such as a city name, and pick the matching time zone from the drop-down list. When you're done, click OK. In your calendar, the day and week views show separate columns for each time zone, making it very easy to compare availability across locations. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Keep labels short so they fit neatly in the calendar column. If you're unsure which option to choose, searching by a major city in the target region is usually the quickest way to find the correct time zone. Outlook handles daylight saving time automatically, so the offset will adjust when clocks change. And if your work spans many regions, start with the 2 or 3 you reference most often to keep the view clean and readable. That's all you need to display multiple time zones in Outlook, both in the new Outlook and on the web, and in classic Outlook for Windows. Thanks for watching.